Hi everybody, want Excel to calculate deadlines but skip weekends and holidays? That's where the Workday function comes in. Suppose we have a task list with start dates and the number of workdays each task will take. In the due date workplace column, type equals Workday, select the start date, and enter the number of workdays. Excel calculates the finish date, automatically skipping Saturday, September 20th, and Sunday, September 21st. But let's say you want to skip holidays too. To do so, have a separate list of holiday dates in your file. In the second row of the due date workplace column, type equals Workday, select the start date, the number of workdays, and add an absolute reference to the list of holiday dates. Excel calculates the finish date, skipping Labor Day, September 4th, Saturday, September 6th, and Sunday, September 7th. This makes project planning easy and ensures your deadlines always fall on working days. No more manual adjustments for weekends or holidays.